Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be discussing a very important concept of electronics and with the help of a question which has been asked in the CSIR NET June 2019 exam. So guys, in this question we will be discussing the concepts related to operational amplifier as well as filters. So here I will discuss it step by step. So I hope that every step will get clear to every one of you, and this is one of the most important topics of electronics, so you all even need to know about it. You can't miss this topic. Another thing, since we will be considering each and every step we need to take to solve any such type of question. So after watching this video till the end, you will get it clearly and you will be able to work on any such type of concept based question easily, and in less time you will be able to get the answer for this kind of question too. So let's start the discussion about this question now. And the question is, a circuit constructed using operational amplifier, resistor that is R1 is equal to 1 kilo ohm. The value of this resistance has been given there, and capacitor which is C1, which is this one, its value is 1 microfarad. Then C2 value has been given to you. What is that? That's going to be 0.1 microfarad, which is this capacitor. Then is shown in the figure below. This circuit will act as which of these filters? Okay, these are the options given to us: high pass, low pass, band pass or band reject filter. Now to solve any such type of question, what you need to do? The first step you need to take is to identify the circuit given to you, whether it is a particular type of amplifier or not. Okay, so if you will be observing this given circuit, you will find that the input has been provided to the negative terminal of the op-amp while the other input terminal is grounded, which shows that it is going to be the inverting amplifier. So if it is inverting amplifier, now if you are the one who has prepared the amplifier topic or the operational amplifier topic, so you will be familiar with these different type of circuits and different type of amplifiers too, and simply and easily you will be able to relate it with the particular type of amplifier. So like the input has been provided to the negative terminal and the other terminal is grounded, so it is inverting amplifier. Now once we have identified that, what we will get from this point? We will simply be able to write the expression for the gain. And what is the gain? Gain is the voltage gain here we are talking about. So voltage gain means the output voltage divided by the input voltage. Okay, the input voltage has been shown with V1, so I'm going to show it with that same symbol. Another thing, here its value as per the formula will be equal to minus RF upon R input. But if you will see the figure given to you, the circuit given to you, instead of resistance, here is the capacitor present. Instead of only one feedback resistance, here is the combination of two things. One is resistance, another one is the capacitor. And they have been connected in parallel. So what will be the resultant or the equivalent resistance in this case? Let's write it. That will be our feedback resistance. So what it will be? It will be the product of this resistance with the impedance of this one. So I'm going to write it as R1 x C2. Okay, that is the impedance of the other capacitor present there, upon the sum of these two. That will be R1 plus XC2. Okay, this is how you will write it. X is representing here the impedance of that other capacitor. So it is the feedback resistance you will have now. So if I will be writing this expression after simplification, so what I will have here, that will be R1 x C2 upon R1, just a second, it's gonna be R1 x C2 upon R1 plus XC2 into this R input means what? R input means its impedance. So what it will be? XC1. Okay, this is how you will get it. Next point, if you will be simplifying it further, so you will get minus R1. Take this XC2 in the denominator, like you can shift it here. Okay, here in the denominator part. So you will get R1 upon XC2 plus xc2 upon xc2 means 1. Okay, and xc1 you will have. What is the impedance? So impedance will be for the C2 capacitor. Okay, the capacitance is C2. So in that case, it will be 1 upon j omega c. Okay, and which one? C2. And xc1 will be equal to 1 upon j omega c1. This is as per the formula of impedance of the capacitor given to us. Next thing, when you will be putting these values here, what you will get? It will give you minus R1, okay, j omega c1 minus R1 j omega c1 upon, it will give you 1 upon j omega c2 you will put here, which will be giving you j omega R1 c2. Okay, j omega R1 c2 plus 1 as it is done. This is what you have got. Now what you have to do after this? To know whether it is high pass filter or low pass filter, you can find the magnitude or the modulus you can find for this ratio, which is the gain basically. So voltage gain, and now when you will be finding its magnitude, what it will be? V output upon V input magnitude will be equal to, now you can see this is just A plus iota B form, that J works like the iota. Okay, so if you will take the A, that is 0, then it will be A minus iota B, or minus sign you can take with the term itself. So what will be its magnitude? It will be A square plus B square, but A is 0 here and B is minus R1 omega C1. We don't take iota. Similarly, we will not be taking J here. So what we will get? We will get just R1 omega C1. Clear? R1 omega C1 from the numerator part. Upon, we will be having from the denominator, that is root 1, okay, and then plus omega square, R1 square, and then what is there? C2 square. Clear? Now you can try to simplify it. When you will be simplifying this expression, what you have to do in that case? You can simply take this omega common, okay, for the further simplification part. So when you will be taking the omega common from the denominator, so you will get root 1 upon omega square here, because you are going to take omega common from the both brackets. No omega at this place. It will be R1 square C2 square. Clear? Now next thing, if you will be considering the higher value of omega, okay, the larger the omega, okay, first of all let's take omega which is tending to what? Omega is tending to 0. So what will be the gain expression you will have? Will gain be higher or gain will be tending to 0 as well? Just check it out. 1 upon 0 means infinity. The gain is tending to what? Gain will be tending to, see, 1 upon 0 means infinity, and infinity plus anything means infinity, and the root of that again infinity. Something upon infinity will be what? 0. Done. So it is the lower value of omega you have taken. That means lower the frequency, the gain is 0. Okay. Now if I will be talking about, which means gain is not high, if I will be talking about the omega, okay, which is gonna have infinite value. Done. So at that point of time, what you will have? You will get the gain which will be equal to R1 C1 upon 1 upon infinity will be 0, R1 C2. R1 cancelled out. The gain you are getting is C1 upon C2. What is the C1 value you are going to have? Look at this. C1 is 1 microfarad and C2 is 0.1 microfarad. So 1 upon 0.1. Done. So 1 upon 0.1 means 10 microfarad. So you have got this value now. The point is, earlier you were getting 0, now you have got the 10 microfarad. So gain is high at which value of omega? Lower value of omega or the higher value of omega? So at the higher value the gain is high. Clear? So in this case you can say it is what? At what type of value of omega the gain is becoming high? Okay, whether if it will be at lower value of omega, you will say it is a low pass filter. If it will be high at the higher value of omega, you will say it is high pass filter. So what kind of filter which has been given to you? It is high pass filter. Reason behind it, even if you will be doing the calculation on your own, because you should do it, and every time whenever anybody discuss the or anybody is going to do the calculation, you should even try to do the calculation on your own. Reason behind it, because you will get to know about your own steps of calculation which you can take in the upcoming exam, how you will be proceeding in that question, you will get to know about it. And if you will be making any mistake anywhere, you will get to know about your mistakes at that point, and this is how you can work on them and you can improve them at this point of time when you are preparing for the exam. So I hope guys it is clear to all of you. Since the gain is high at the higher value of omega, it is the high pass filter. Depending on this thing, that what is that frequency where gain is high, it tells you about the type of filter you are gonna have. So what kind of filter it is? High pass filter. I hope it will be clear to all of you guys. Now at the end, and if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then guys you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And one more thing, that if you want to join the important sessions, the important courses by the top educators for your upcoming CSIR net exam preparation, then guys you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription. So in that case, if you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription guys, what are the benefits you will get? Let's talk about that. So if you will be taking the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exams preparation. Every week the new batches and the new courses are starting there right now by the top educators. So by taking the subscription, you will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. No space in between, spelling should be same. You can even write everything in the capital letters like this, okay? And you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount by using and by applying this referral code, okay? Now one more thing, let's say there is any course which is already going on, clear? So if you want to attend the sessions of that course too, but since some of the sessions have already been conducted and you want to check them out because you are finding that that course is going to be the important one for you, so in that case the recordings of the previous classes will be available to you. You can check them out, as well as if you will have any doubt anywhere, you can ask about them in the doubt clearing sessions, because in each and every course we are going to have the doubt clearing sessions. So that's how you will not miss anything and you will be able to attend all these important courses and the classes by the top educators, and you will be able to take your preparation to a very good level under the guidance of top educators. One more thing guys, as right now the new courses are starting almost every week for your upcoming exam preparation. So if you will be taking the subscription right now, it will even help you to prepare many things in very less time, okay? And that's how you will be able to be more confident about your upcoming exam regarding the preparation you are going to do, because every discussion will be completely exam oriented. And to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app and you can proceed further to take the subscription. Done. So I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you guys, and I hope the question which we have discussed in this session will also be clear to you. We will have more important discussion about the tricks, about questions and concepts in our upcoming videos. So if you are new on this channel, you can even subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, clear? And don't forget to share it with your friends, those who are even going to prepare for the upcoming exam, whether for CSIR net or for GATE or for JEST or for TFR. For all the similar exams, this question was important, even the concept was very important. So I hope it has got clear to all of you. But if you will be having any doubt anywhere, anything you want to say about this question, okay, its answer steps or anything, whatever is not clear to you, you can mention it in the comments. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.